You had a strategy on your buy and hold. I think you were calling it the 80-20-30 rule. I'd love to hear you talk a little bit more about that and what your specific strategy is for Bitcoin investing or for just crypto investing.
The two things that I think everybody wants to do is they want to buy low, sell high, right? And then they want to figure out what's a safe amount they can put in. Because figuring out a way to commit X number of dollars to your crypto portfolio, $100 a month. This is make it easy. You're $100 a month into crypto. Out of that $100 a month that you're going to do into crypto, automatically 80-20-30. 80% goes into your crypto portfolio. However you allocate that, Bitcoin, altcoins, whatever. 20% goes to the side every month. So that's money just saved. And you're waiting for a 30% market pullback so that you can then use those additional funds to buy the dip. So you're getting kind of best of the both worlds. Not these 10% dips, but like the 30% dips, which usually will happen over, the course of a week or two. And you see, hey, it was at all-time high and now it's down 30%. There's a lot of good value there. It hedges risk a little bit.